Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have access and a client. This gets you into the data fast. Connect with credentials, pick a target table, and define a clear question to answer. Then write a quick select listing 5-10 columns with limit 50 to preview rows. This shows patterns and missing values. Once done, note data types and column names so your next queries are precise. Make sure to avoid heavy scans. Previewing prevents long waits and costly mistakes. You now shape and summarize data. Filter first with where to cut work. Next, use group by plus aggregates like count and AVG to answer core questions, and add having to filter groups. Once done, leverage case for conditional logic and common table expressions to break complex steps into readable parts. Make sure to index join keys and select only needed columns. This speeds execution. You should test intermediate results so you can catch logic errors early. You finish by combining tables with joins, pick inner verses left deliberately, and verify join keys to avoid row explosion. Then format results, order by for deterministic output, and export to CSV or connect to a BI tool for visualization. Once done, document your steps and save the final query. If numbers seem off, rerun smaller queries to validate joins and aggregations, check for nulls and duplicates, and make corrections. This single troubleshooting tip saves hours.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.